वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वदर्चिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम् सारवत् विश्वतोमुखम् अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः। भूवादयो धातवः सनाद्यन्ता धातवः धात्वा देहे सहसः नो नः इदितोऽनुं धातोः मोनुस्वारः नश्चापदान्तस्य झलि र्वोरुपदाया दीर्घ इकः हलि च उपधायां च प्रत्ययः परश्च आद्युदात्तश्च धातोरेकाचो हलादेक्ष्या समविहारेयम् धातोः लस्य तप्तज्झे सिक्तस्थमित्पस्मस्तातां यथा सातान्दुम् इट्महि महिम् किंचित् सार्वधातुकम् आर्धधातुकं शेषः लिक्ष लिंगाशिषि
लिंगाशिशि
लह परस्मैपदम्
लह परस्मैपदम्
लङ्गानावात्मनेपदम्
लङ्गानावात्मनेपदम्
तिंहस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः
तिंहस्त्रीणि त्रीणि प्रथममध्यमोत्तमाः
तान्येकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान्येकशः
तानेकवचन द्विवचन बहुवचनान्येकशः
युष्मद्युपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
युष्मद्युपपदे समानाधिकरणे स्थानिन्यपि मध्यमः
अस्मद्युत्तमः शेषे प्रथमः That we saw today, 29th. Here is Ekayor Dvivachanekavachane. This is another Sanya Sutram. Defines the Sanya Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, 1-4-22. Bagushu Bhagavachanam, 1-4-21. So this, let me put it before. Bagushu Bhagavachanam, that becomes 29. Bagushu Bhagavachanam, Ekhayor Dvivachanekavachane. That is 1-4-22. So Bagushu Bhagavachanam, Vitve Vivakshite Dvivachanam, Ekatve Vivakshite Ekavachanam. You will see that 1-4-21 and 1-4-22 defines Dvivachanam. So Bagushu Bhagavachanam. Bagushu. Yes. Yes. Bagushu Bhagavachanam. This year. Bagushu Bhagavachanam, Sutra number 20. The list is
29.
29.
Yes.
Sheshe Pratama, I think I have not changed the number here.
28. Yeah.
Asmaduttamaha 24. Okay, this list is the numbers are not changed. Okay, I'll change it later. Some number doesn't match here. Okay. Bagushu Bhagavachanam. Bagushu Bhagavachanam 29. Bhagutve Vivakshite Bhagavachanam Bhavati. When Bhagutvam, many are indicated, manyness is indicated, then Bhagavachanam Bhavati. That is called a Bhagavachanam when many are indicated, many are to be spoken. Vivakshite, then Vivakshite, Vivaksha, when many are to be indicated, many are to be spoken, then Bhagavachanam Bhavati. Then there will be Bhagavachanam. Vachanam, the word has to be Bhagavachanam. Niya Pratipadika Swadayaha Suadi Pratayaha Swadayaha Tasya Tibhadayaha iti. Pratipadika Swadayaha Lakarasya Tibhadayaha Lakara Tibhadayaha iti Samanyena Bhagavachana Vigitam Tasya Anena Bhagutva Sankhya number Vachyattvena Vidiyate. By the word Bhagavachanam, Bhagutva Sankhya Vachyattvena Vidiyate. If Bhagavachanam is Vigitam, is ordained to the Pratipadika or to the Lakara, that is by Bhagavachana Vachyattvena, Bhagutva Sankhya Bhagavachana Vachyattvena Vidiyate. that is ordained, that manyness, Bhagutva Sankhya, when many are to, or many are there, the sense of manyness, many, the word, the Bhagavachana, Vachatvena, when many are indicated, then the pratyas, corresponding pratyas are added to Pratipadika, corresponding pratyas are added to Lakara, Ityartha. Bhagavachanams are used referring to many. Simple. So this is a Sanya Sutra. Nothing special here to be discussed, but still we'll see what is given at the Ashtadhyayi. Everything extra. 1-4-22. Simple 1-4-21. Bhavishu Bhagavachanam. This is also 1-4, because 1-4, it is Akadarat, Eka Sanyadikara. So Bhagatve Vivekshite Bhagavachanam Bhavati. When many are indicated, it is Bhagavachanam Bhavati. Bhagatve Vivekshite. Anena Sutrena Bhagavachana Sanyaka Pratyasya Putra Prayoga Bhavati. It is Spashtikriyate. Bhagavachana Sanyaka Pratyaya. The Bhagavachana, the word is plural, and the plurality is given by adding the Pratyaya. The Pratyaya is called Bhagavachana Pratyaya. So Bhagavachana Sanyaka Pratyasya. The word is plural, Bhagavachana. But the word is not talking about plural. This Bhagavachana Sankhya is to what is the Bhagavachana Sankhya is given to the word or to the pratyaya. If you see the sutra itself, Tingaha, Trini, Pratama, Madhyama, Uttamaha, etc. What is Trini? All about the pratyayas. So Bhagavachana pratyaya. So Bhagavachanam is a sanya to the pratyaya. And we call Bhagavachana, the word also is Bhagavachana because of the pratyaya. So this Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam, Pratama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha, all these are names given to the pratyayas. Vibhakti also another name given to the pratyaya. Sut pratyaya, ting pratyayas. So that's why Bhagavachana Sanyaka Pratyayasya. Yatra Trayanam Adhikanam Va Vivaksha Asti, where more than three or more than three is indicated, is spoken of. Tatra Bhagavachana Sanyakaha Pratyaha Bhavati. Where Bhagavachana Sankhya. To where Pratipadikatva Akaratva Bhavati. Yata Panchabalaha Gachanti Asmin Vakye Panchanam Balanam Nirdesha Kritaha Ataha Bhagavachanasya Prayogaha Kriyate. Bhagavachana Pratyaya just is added. Nyatavyam. Can you all hear me? Is it audible?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
Okay. The screen is not moving. So yes. Okay, one more. What is? Yeah. Nyatavyam. Bhagavachana Sanya. Tan Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachanam Ye Kashaha. Here it is used 14102. Anena Sutrena Diyate. We have seen this, right?
Yes.
Now we are seeing the what is Ekavachana. Actually, this will have been seen before anyway.
Yeah.
In the order, we can flip it later. I'll make it correction. Just trying to make some order. Okay, nothing wrong. We know this.
Yeah. Even that Uttama Pratama, that also we can turn it and
Yes.
before then that Trini. So after that,
I'll change the order later. Okay,
yeah, we
yes.
can rearrange.
So Anena Sutrena Diyate. Fine. Suprathyanam Tatating Pratyanam Iyam Sanya Bhavati. What about Krit Pratyas? Krit Pratyaya also will become Pratipadika. So Pratipadika only you add Sup. Therefore, it is only for Sup and thing. So this Dvivachana Bhagavachana Sanya is not for, but still it has to be specified. That's why it is only for Sup and thing, not for other Pratyaya. Even some certain words which are Nitya Bhagavacham, say for example, Apaha. Still, The word is Nitya Bhagavachana means it will take only Bhagavachana Pratyaya. That's why it's Nitya Bhagavachana. Okay. Fine. This is thing. What about Avyaya? Avyaya, there is no Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana. The form is same, therefore, na Vyeti. So whatever pratyas are added, Avyayat Ap Supaha Luk Bhavati. The sutra. The Sup Pratyaya, what you add, even the Bhagavachana Pratyaya, it becomes Luk. So Avyaya doesn't have the sense of Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bhagavachana. That itself is not there. Because any pratyaya you add to the Avyaya, it's going to become low power. Luk Bhavati. For example, Cha plus Su, Cha only. Cha plus just, Cha only. There is no Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam for that. यदि बहुत्वस्य विवक्षायां विशिष्टसंख्यायाः निर्देशस्य अभावे अपि बहुवचनस्य प्रयोगः भवति. Even though बहुत्वम is not indicated. यथा बालाः गच्छन्ति अस्मिन् वाक्ये कति बालाः गच्छन्ति इति स्पष्टः निर्देशः नास्ति. Therefore we can बहुत्व विवक्षायां तथापि बहवः बालाः विवक्षिताः तदा बहुवचनस्य प्रत्ययः प्रयुज्यन्ते. बहुत्वम you can use only when it is more than three or more than three. So Bhagutva Vikshaya, Vishishta Sankhyayaha Nirdeshya, there is no specific number. Like Chatvaraha, Balaha, not there, 4 boys, just says Balaha. Therefore, Vishishta Sankhyayaha Bhaveyapi, Bhagavachana Pratyasya Priyogaka Bhavati. भाषा विशेषः सामान्य रूपेण अद्यतन काले संस्कृत संभाषणे आदरार्थे that we use भवान् that आदरार्थे with respect भगवचनस्य उल्लेखः कृतः दृश्यते. ता एकं मनुष्यमुद्दिश्य अपि भवन्तः कथं सन्ति इति प्रकारेण प्रश्नः पृच्छ्यते. अयं प्रयोगः व्याकरणसम्मतः नास्ति. It is not in keeping with the व्याकरणं. व्याकरणं doesn't agree. न व्याकरण सम्मतः व्याकरण विरुद्धः एव. भवन्तः कथम् अस्ति, only one person is there. How are you all? That's the literal translation, but anyway it's how are you only. यद्यपि व्याकरण सम्मतः नास्ति किन्तु आदरार्थे प्रयुज्यते. मूलतः एकवचनस्य प्रयोगेन अनादरः भवति, बहुवचनस्य प्रयोगेन च आदरः दृश्यते. एतादृशं चिन्तनम् अयोग्यम् एव. Not proper, he says. If you use Ekavachanam, it is disrespectful. Bhagavachanam only is to be used for showing the respect. Iti chintanam, etadasha chintanam, not proper, he says. Vachananam prayoga kevalam sankhyayaha vivakshayam bhavati. Adarasya anadarasya vivakshayam na. It has nothing to do with adara and anadara. Vachananam prayogaha only, it is dealing with the number only. So, where is the question of respect and disrespect, adara and adara? Even if you say, Bhavan katam asti, that is fine. Where is anadara there? So, Bhavantah katam santi, that is not proper, he says. Tateva, Madhyama Purushasya prayogena, anadara bhavati. Bhavachabdasya prayogena cha adara nirdeshate, etadapi vyakana sammatam nasti. You don't say no. Bhavan only we say for Madhyama, record the respected person, elders, seniors, we use Bhavan. Then Bhavan, what do we say? Bhavan is you, Madhyama Purusha. But we use Prathama Purusha, Kaya Padam, Bhavan, Asti, Katam Asti, Tadapi Vyakana Sammatam Nasti. But Yadapi Vyakana Sammatam Nasti, but in Vyavahara we are using that. It is used by all. Therefore, we also stick to that. We cannot use Madhyama Purusha. Suppose you are talking to a very senior person, elderly person, sadhu. Tvam katam asti, if you ask, Tvam katam asti, then they feel it is disrespectful. Even if they don't feel, the others will feel. So that should not be used. That sense is already attached. So therefore, we cannot change it now. It is difficult. So we have to follow whatever in Vyavahara it is, that Vyavahara protocol we have to follow. but not according to Vyakarnam, this is. It has nothing to do with respect or respect. That is fine, that is understandable. Kashikakara says, Nyat Nyat Pratipadika Swadaya Tasya Tibadaya iti Samanena Bhagavachanam Ligitam Tasya Anena Bhagavatra Sankhya Vachyena Vidiyate Bhagusha Bhagavachan Bhavati. This already we saw. Okay. The next sutra says, Ekayor Dvivachana Ekavachane Dvi Ekayogo Dvivachana Ekavachane Dvitta Vivakshayam Dvivachanam Ekatva Vivakshayam Ekavachanam. So Dvitve Vivakshite, when two things are spoken, Dvivachanasya Prayogaha. Ekatve Vivakshite Ekavachanasya Prayogaha Bhavati. Anena Sutrena Dvivachana Sanyaka Pratyasya Ekavachana Sanyakasya Pratyasya Kutra Prayogaha Bhavati Vispashtikriyate Yatra Dayoho Vivaksha Asti Tatra Dvivachana Sanyakaha Pratyaha Yatra Ekavachanasya Vivaksha Asti Tatra Ekavachana Sanyakasya Prayogaha iti. Tata Balaha Gacchati Asmin Vakye Ekasya Balakasya Vishayeva Procyate Ataha Ekavachanasya Prayoga Kritaha Asti Balo Gacchataha Asmin Vakye Vayoho Balakyoga Vishaya Uchyate Ataha Dvivachanasya Prayoga Kriyate. Simple Sanya Gnatavyam. Here also Ekavachanam Tata Dvivachan Ete Sanye Tan Ekavachan Dvivachan Bhagavachanan Ekashaha Anena Sutrena Diyate. The Sanya is used in this sutra. This is Sanya Pradesha. Right? This is.
Yes.
Another place also Ekavachanam is used. The context what we know. Ekavachanam Sambuddhihi. Sambuddhi is a Sanya, right?
Yeah.
Ekavachanam is called Sambuddhihi Sambodhanecha. By that sutra, Sambodhanecha, one sutra is there. 2347. You'll see it later. So that's why Sambodhane Ekavachanam Sambuddhihi. Sambodhanecha Pratama Vibhaktihi Bhavati. That Pratama Vibhakti Sambodhane Sambuddhihi Bhavati. So that Ekavachan, the word is there. So these are all the Sanya Pradesha. Sanya Pradesha means the names where it occurs, in which places. There are all the sutras. Ekavachanam. Ekavachanam Sambuddhihi is used. Similarly, other Sanya you will see. Dvivachanam, Bhagavachanam and all these Sanyas you will find it is there. Okay, so Supratyayana Tata Ting Pratyayana Ime Sanye Bhavataha. Okay. Ekavachanasya Prayoga Samanya Tadapi Bhavati Tada Vishishta Sangya Vivakshita Nasti. Like we say Janaha. Ekavachanasya Prayoga Bhavati. Janaha, anyway, Janaha is different. Janaha means people only. Janaha also people only. Okay. Anyway, that is a different example. Not here. Vasha Visheshaha. Samani Rupena Adyatana Kale Samskrit Sambhashane. I think the same thing only is taking. Ekavachanasya Prayogaha. What we saw just now, the same thing. So I think skip that. But certain words are, even though it has a sense of plural, but it is still declinable, like Janaha, example. Apaha is Mritya Bhagavachan, no problem. What about Janaha? Janaha means people. Janaha also people only. That's what people only. So Janaha Gacchati means, that is Janaha Gacchati. Maybe Gacchati only we say. We don't say Gacchanti, even though the meaning is Janaha referring to the people. Or maybe there are Janapadaha, among that Janapada, a person goes, Janaha, referring to Janaha Gacchati only we can use, even though Janaha meaning people, but Janaha mean Manushyaha, Manavaha ityartaha, Gacchati only. And Bhagavachanam is a Janaha Gacchanti, Manavaha Gacchanti. So that even if the implied meaning is Bhagavachanam, but still in keeping with the Vyakarana Vidhi, you have to use appropriate Vachanam in the Kriya Padam also. Vachanam of the Kriya Padam should conform to the Nama Padam, even though the Nama Padam implies Bhagavachanam meaning. That is Vyakarana Niyama. So that we cannot violate. Why this example came? Because Janaha is Gachati only. Janaha Gachanti. And Bhavan Gachati. Sometimes that Bhavantaha we use instead of Ekavachanam. That made Bhavantaha. That Bhavantaha Gachanti. But only one person is there. That is what Vyakaranam, it is against Vyakaranam. Janaha Gachati, Janaha Gachanti, not against Vyakaranam. It is in keeping with Vyakaranam. Okay. Then Kashika. Dvitta ekayoho artayoho. Dvivachana ekavachane bhavataha. So dvitva arte ekavachanam. Ekarte ekatvam vivakshite ekavachanam bhavataha. Iti. Etadapi samanya vigitayoho dvivachana ekavachanayoho artha abhidhanam. To indicate the meaning of Samanya Vegitayoho Dvivachana Ekavachanayoho. For indicating the Ekavachanam, singular and plural, which is this sanya is used. Dvitve Dvivachanam, Ekatve Ekavachanam. Okay. Fine. Next one. Not Karaka. Okay. Next sutra. So next sutra is we'll enter into Atmanepada Sanya 31. Anudata Mitaha Atmanepadam 31. Anudata Mitaha Atmanepadam Bhavakarmanoho Atmanepadam. So for this, you can check the Sutra Pata. 1-3 section we know. It's Sanya Prakaranam. After it's Sanya, we have this prakaran called Parasmi Pada Atmane Pada Prakaran. That Sanya, Parasmi Pada, the whole section deals with that only. The beginning only, that it's Sanya for the 10 sutras. After that, it is only Atmane Pada, Parasmi Pada Prakaran. So, I can quickly go through. We don't have to go through all this. I mean, sutra, but still, we will not get an occasion also later. If at all, I don't know, we may or may not. Maybe I can quickly go through whichever is important, so that we can just maybe one line meaning for all the sutras. I will try to go through all the sutras now.
Yes.
Certain things even I have not seen actually. So you'll see when we read. So Swaritena Adhikaraha. That Adhikara Sutra has got the Swarita Swara. It's a wherever Adhikara is there. Swaritena Adhikaraha tells Adhikara Sutra, like Sangitayam, Angasya, like the Adhikara. Adhikara as the Swarita Swara. This is a Swara Sutra. Like Aditatascha for the Pratyaya, similarly for this Swara. So, since the sutras were chanted, therefore the Swara indicates it is Adhikara, Dhatoho Adhikara. By the Swara we can make it. So, Swaritena Adhikaraha. So, this is applicable for the entire Sutra Pata, not only here, this section, it is. Swaritena Adhikaraha, Swarita Swarena Adhikaraha Vivakshitaha Ityartaha. Asmin Sutra Pate Anuvrittehe Nirdeshaha Swarita Swarena Tutaha Asti. Ashtadhyayi Ucharanam Yesham Shabdanam Swarita Swarena Ucharanam Kriyate Te Shabdaha Agrima Sutreshu Anuvritti Rupena Svikartum Shakyate Iti Asya Sutrasya Artaha. The sutras of the Ashtadhyayi as the Swarita Swara, Swarita Swarena Ucharanam Kriyate, Te Shabdaha, those Shabdas, Anuvritti Rupena Svikartam. It's Adhikara Sutra, Anuvritti. That which is Adhikara comes with Anuvritti. So Adhikara, Anuvritti Rupena Svikartam Shakyante. Sutra Sambandhinaha Kechana Bhintavaha. Prakrita Sutre Upayuktaha Adhikara iti Shabdaha Adhikara Sutram. So Adhikara is Adhikara Sutra Vityartaha. Vityarte Prayuktaha. Sorry, Pariktaha Nasti, Apitu, Uttara Sutreshu Upastapanam, that is a word, a governing word that can be carried in the further sutras. उत्तर सूत्रेषु उपस्थापनम्. So अधिकारः इति अधिकारसूत्रम् इति शब्दः अधिकारसूत्रम् अस्मिन् अर्थे प्रयुक्तः नास्ति, किन्तु उत्तर सूत्रेषु उपस्थापनम् इत्यस्मिन् अर्थे प्रयुक्तः अस्ति. अधिकारसूत्रेषु विद्यमानाः शब्दाः अपि एतादृशम् अग्रिमसूत्रेषु अवश्यं स्वीक्रियन्ते, अतः तेषां निर्देशः अपि स्वरितस्वरेण अवश्यं कृतः स्यात्. Even in the Adhikara Sutra, the words which are there, that also comes on as anuvrutti, that will have Swaritaswara. Parantu ye shabdaः अधिकारसूत्रस्थाः न सन्ति, तेषां विषये अपि अनुवृत्तेः निर्देशः स्वरितस्वरस्य साहाय्येन एव कृतः वर्तते इति अर्थः. In simple, here adhikara means not only the adhikara, that which flows down as anuvritti, that will have Swaritaswara usage. Ye shabdaः अधिकारसूत्रस्थाः न सन्ति, even though it is not in Adhikara Sutra, but तेषां विषये अपि अनुवृत्तेः निर्देशः, then स्वरितस्वरस्य साहाय्येन कृतः अस्ति. सूत्राणाम् उच्चारणे प्रयुक्तानाम् उदात्त अनुदात्त स्वरितस्वराणां ज्ञानम् अद्यतनकाले सम्पूर्णेन लुप्तम् अस्ति. Means what?
All vanished.
All are swara has gone. You have lost. It's all like the Veda, it was chanted. Now we only recite. Recitation. So some chant. We have luptam asti. Some people say they have rediscovered. I don't know what it is, but it is luptameva. अतः प्रकृतसूत्रस्य उदाहरणेन कोऽपि शब्दः स्पष्टरूपेण दातुं नैव शक्यते. Therefore, उदाहरणरूपेण कोऽपि शब्दः, therefore we cannot give any example. अद्यतनकाले अनुवृत्तेः ज्ञानं व्याख्यानात् एव सम्भवति. The jnanam only is from the vyakyanam, from the interpretation only some jnana eva sambhavati. But the real knowledge is not there, it is luptam. Whatever knowledge we have, it is only because of the vyakyanam. Ityukte angasya dhatoho nya pratipadikaat ityete shabdaha agrima sutreshu anuvartante tesham panina krute ucharane swaritah swaraha avashyam syat ityeva pratipadanam idanim shakyam. So all these are Adhikara Sutras which comes as anuvrutti. So they are all they enjoy this Swaritaswara. Anuvrittehe samapanam kutra bhavati asmin vishe kechana bindavaha Prakrutasutrasya bhashye uktava santi parantu samanya rupena asya jnanamapi vyakyanat eva sambhavati iti atra nishkarshaha. Asmin sandarbhe adhikam pippatishavah Prakrutasutrasya bhashyam eva pashyeyuhu. Okay. If you want to know more, please see the Bhashyam, he says. Anyway, this much is enough for us also. Swaritena iti ittam bhuta lakshane tritiya. This is ittam bhuta lakshana. Swaritena adhikaraha. It's a ittam bhuta tritiya. This is grammar point, it is. What type of tritiya? Ittam bhuta tritiya. Adhikara, which is in the form of Swaritaswara, which goes as anuvrutti. Swarita Rama Swarita Swara Visheshaha Varna Dharmaha. It is Dharma, Varna Dharma, Swara Vishesha. It is Vishesha to the Swara. Is only Swaras have got the Swarita, Udata, Anudata, not the consonants. So therefore Swara Vishesha, not Vyajana Vishesha. And it is in Varna Dharma. Tena Chinnena Adhikaraha Veditavyaha. That is known by the symbol. Adhikaraha Viniyogaha. Swarita guna yuktam shabda rupam adhikrutatvat uttaratra upatishtate. Uttaratra tishtate, this goes as anuvritti. It is understood in the following. Uttaratra. Pratignya swaritaha paniniyaha. Pratignya swaritaha paniniyaha pratyaha dhatoho. All these are Adhikara Sutram. Pratignya swaritaha paniniyaha.
I was thinking how they would have spell this one in Svarita? The whole word they'll be in Svarita, or just one letter or something they'll be like. Just I was thinking.
Not the whole letter will be in Sarita.
The starting would like.
That we have to see the Vashyam only, how it is Svarita.
Okay.
In the Dhatu Pata, the letters have got this Swara. So there it is given, Dhatu Pata.
Yeah.
So here it is Swaritena Adhikaraha. Adhikara has got Swarita Swara. Maybe the whole also, we don't know. And in the case of Adi Udatascha, for example, that Pratyaha Parascha Adi Pratyaya is Adi Udata. Adi letter is Udata Swara for the Pratyaya. So Ach is a Pratyaya. Okay, it's one letter Pratyaya, no problem. Suppose there's more letter Pratyaya. So the first letter Pratyaya, of course, it will have 2, maximum or 3. No, not even 3. I don't think all the letters are equal letters. No. Tumun, okay. Suppose Tumun or Twa Pratyaya, 3 letters, for example. 3 letters. Adi Udatascha, that Adi letter. What is Adi? Only one vowel is the Twa. So that will have Adi Swara, Udata Swara. Adi Varna has got Udata Swara. Here the straight, the Shabda, that Swara is for the, maybe for the entire word. I don't know how it would be. It's all not there. So that's why Swarita, Swara, the Swara sutras are there. Swara Adhikara separately. This we don't discuss much because we don't know. We don't have knowledge of that. But Jnanam is Lupta. Anyway, that we can just some idea.
Dhatus they chant. Do they chant the dhatus then?
All Dhatu Pata also chanted.
With the
At
Swara?
least Dhatu Pata we can reinvent the Swara with the Swara we can do that. But anyway, that not we don't focus much on that also. It is also again it is the Swara we reinvent. Maybe it may close matching with that original, but not sure. Because the Swara is given, therefore it is also chanted only. Dhatu Pata also chanted. Not only for the purpose of chanting Dhatus as Swara, it is also for the purpose of ordaining Atmanipada Paraspara. That's why that's important. Swara, why do we discuss? Because in the context of this Dhatu, whether it is Parasvapadi Dhatu or Atmanipadi Dhatu, that is determined by the Swara of the Ith letter.
Okay.
The Ith letter is the Swara means Swara has to be for the vowel, and the vowel which is a Ith letter that has this Swara. That knowledge, that Jnanam is required to determine whether a Dhatu is Parasvapadi or Atmanipadi. Okay. Anyway, wherever Swara is there, that part we have to leave it out. We cannot discuss anything on that.
Okay.
But in the case of determining whether the Dhatu is Parasvapadi or Atmanipadi, that knowledge is required, not complete knowledge, some knowledge about that. Example, Anudata Nitaha Atmanepadam. Anudata Nitaha. So, two things are there. Anudata Nitaha. Anudata Nitaha Atmanepadam. So, Atmanepadam, what is the Sanya Sutram? Atmanepadam?
Tangana Vatmanepadam.
Atmanepadam. What Samasa is?
That okay. It doesn't vanish, no? That
what is that?
Atmanepadam, that the Pratyaya doesn't vanish, so we saw somewhere. That one.
What is that you're saying, Ramaji?
Samahara.
Not Samahara. Remember Vyakarana?
Napumsak.
Vyakarana Sankhya, then Parasyacha, and Sutra came. Alukuttara Pade.
Alukuttara Pade.
There we saw the Sutra number maybe 636 or something. There it is, we saw 636 or 635. Ajnayini, and after that,
Atmanascha, yeah.
Vayyakaranakyam, this is the one.
Vayyakaranakyam Chaturthya.
That is Vayyakaranakyam means Vayyakaranakyayam, that is in the names in the Vyakaranam, that Vyakaranam. Akhya is Sanya. Vyakaranam Akhya. Yaya Sanyaya Vyakarana Eva Vyavaharanti. By the name Vyakaranaha, grammarians by which they Vyavaharanti, they transact. Tasya Atmanaha Uttarasya Chaturthya Alut Bhavati Atmane Padam Atmane Bhasha. Atmane Padam Atmane Bhasha, they are technical terms used by the Vyakaranas. So therefore Vyakarana Akhyayam Chaturthyaha, and next sutra Parasya, by that Parasme Padam Parasme Bhasha. Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. This is Chaturthi Tatpurusha Samasa. Yes or no? Chaturthi only. Atmane Padam, what is the Vigraha Vakya? Atmane Padam only. It is Aluk Samasa. Parasme Padam is equal to Parasme Padam only. Vigraha is Parasme Padam. Only thing is the Vibhakti has not become looked. So by the Sutram, the Samasa has happened. Okay, now here. Anudata Gitaha Atmane Padam. Before that, we will see this one small write-up is here. A dhatu in the dhatu pata may have an ita letter. So here it is Atmane Pada Sanya, Parasmika Sanya. What is the topic here? A dhatu in the dhatu pata may have an ita letter. If the dhatu ends in a hull consonant, to protect the hull from lopa, and anunasika h is added as an ita letter. So that's why it's packing letter, anunasika h. And therefore that anunasika h is what? Ita letter. Upadeshe ajaranasika it. By that get it sanya. Right? If a dhatu ends in h letter, it may or may not have an ita letter ending. For example, dhatus which doesn't have ita letter, bhu dhatu. Bhu is doesn't have ita letter. Bhu is the dhatu. The content is bhu only. Some dhatus may have the h maybe as an ita letter, like shadlu, if you take lu is ita letter. So anyway, that is an anunasika h added as an it can be udata, anudata, aswarita. So in the dhatu pata, based on the swara of the ita letter, whether the dhatu is parasmadi or tarpadi is known. If the ita letter is swarita, anudata, okay, anudata, or ita letter is anudata means it must be a vowel. If the h, if the vowel is an ita letter, and if it is an anudata swara, or dhatu having akara as an ita letter, consonant, then such a dhatu is called Atmane Padi dhatu. Why? Because it will take Atmane Pada endings. Atmane Pada pratyas it will take. This is only information available in the dhatu pata. All the other dhatus in the language will take Parasmay Padam unless they are specifically selected to have Atmanepadi endings. So therefore, you see the Sutra Pata. So Anudata Ngitaha Atmanepadam is an important sutra. Dhatu having the Anudata Swara of what? The ita letter. The ita letter having Anudata Swara, or the ita letter, if it is a Git letter, then the Dhatu will be Atmanepadam. If it is not, then the rest are deemed to be what? Parasmay. Right? The rest are deemed to be. Other than this, everything is what? Parasmay. That is given by the sutra, Sheshat Kartari Parasmay Padam, Sutra number 78, 1378. Shesha, left out. Whatever is left out, other than this. What it would be? They are Parasmay Pada Dhatus, right? Now, there are some Dhatus which is not Anudata, which is not Ngit also, which is not Anudata means which doesn't have Anudata Ach, It letter, which doesn't have Ngit also, Nakara is not It letter, but still it will not take Parasmepada. Those are covered in this section, starting from 1:13 onwards. 1:13, all the sutras here, 1:13 onwards, up to the sutra just before Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam 1:376. All these are exceptions to Parasmepadam.
Okay.
Dhatus don't have Anudata Ach, doesn't have also Nit letter, but still Atmanepadam. Okay, that is why Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam is placed at 78th position. So Apavada to Parasmepadam are given under the Atmanepadadhikara. That which are Apavada to Atmanepadam, that will be given under the Parasmepadadhikara. Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam, we have to stop there. Why should further it is? Because the sutras are there further. You can see Parasmepadam goes as Anuvrutti from here up to 93rd, which is the end sutra. So it means these are the Apavada to Atmanepada. This place like this.
Okay.
Okay. This also we have seen before.
Yeah. That when we did that niche and all that time.
Yes, that time we have seen which is came. Yes. So all the dhatus in the language will take Parasmepada endings, but it's not really true. Provisionally can take, unless they are specifically selected to have Atmanepada endings. That is what Atmanepada, the sutras, they are in the section 1:312 to 1:337. In the Sutra Pata, the section beginning with 1:312 to 1:337 list all the conditions under which it will take the dhatu will take Atmanepadi pratyayas. And Sutra Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam 1:378. That's a general rule. Parasmepadam pratyayas for all the dhatus which are not covered by the 1:312 to 1:337. That is Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam. Then the sutras after that, Sheshat Kartari Parasmepadam is 1:379 up to the end of this, the end sutra of this pada. All these are exceptions to 1:312 to 1:337. That is Atmanepadi. Okay, that's what I explained now.
Yes.
Exception to Parasmepada are given under Atmanepadadhikara, exception to Atmanepadadhikara are given under Parasmepadadhikara. So that is how the arrangement of the section. So the 1:3 section is, it deals with its sanya and it deals with the pratyaya ordained to the dhatu. What pratyaya? Atmanepadi pratyaya, Parasmepada pratyaya. So those conditions are given in the 1:3 section. So 1:3 section is complete in what it is, in the sense of general idea you get. But that seems to be some dhatu which are Ubhayapadi. How will it get Ubhayapadi? It means there is some overlap between the two. There is some overlap. And Ubhayapada is what we use. It's not a sanya. It's not given as given by Panini Maharishi. We use it loosely, Ubhayapadi. Ubhaya means can be Parasme Atmanepadi. Ubhaya. That's called Ubhaya, yes. It's not really a sanya given by Panini Maharishi, but we use Ubhayapadi. Some dhatus may take Atmanepadi under certain conditions, and some may take Parasmepada. So the sutras from 1:370 to 1:377, which bring Atmanepada endings, if the result of action is only intended for the agent of action, that karma, palam, if it is intended for the karta himself, then the dhatu will take Atmanepadi. Ramaha pachate, he cooks for himself, not for others. Pachdhatu. Pachati means he cooks for others also, for the family, for the atiti. When this exclusivity is not maintained, the same root will take Parasmepada endings. If it is not intended only for himself, then it can take Parasmepada endings. Therefore, there is simply overlap. However, this rule is not followed strictly in the language. We don't follow that. Even though Rama cooks means Rama Pachati, we say. Not strictly followed, but it is there. That is, the rule is there. Therefore, dhatus which can take Atmanepadi endings based on rules 1372 to 1377 are closely called Ubhayapadi. So, 1372 to 1377. These sutras are the sutra which deal with to which the sutras which by which we ordained the Parshipadi or Atmanepadi Pratyas to the dhatus. 1372 you can see. Svaritaha Nitaha Kartra Vipraye Kriya Pale. Svaritaha, here Svaritaha is Swara. Swara of the Anunasika H, if it is Svarita, if it is Uda, if it is Anudata, then Atmanepadam. If it is not Anudata, then it has to be Parasmepadam. Fine, it is the Parasmepadam. But even in that also, if it is Svarita, and if the result of the action goes to the agent, then Katra Vipraye, Kriyapale, if it is, then it will take what? Atmanepadi. Even though the Swara is not Anudata, Swara is not Anudata means what suffix, what pratyaj will take dhatu, dhatus will take Parasmepadi. Right? So, here the Swara is what? Swarita. What pratyaya the dhatu should take? Parasmepadi or Atmanepadi pratyas? Parasmepada pratyas. Parasmepadi pratyas only, right? Swaritaha. But if the result of the action goes to the agent itself, karta itself, then what it will take? Even though it is not Anudata, even though the iterator is not Nit, it will take Atmanepadi, that's a Kartra Vipraye Kriyapale. So, Pachdatu, therefore, by the it is not Anudata. Dupachash, the original dhatu is Dupachash. It is not Anudata. If it is Anudata, then if it is cannot take Parasmepadi, there cannot be Pachati, the word, the Kriyapadam at all. You can just infer from this, very simple. Pachdhatu is Ubhayapadi. Therefore, from the dhatu we can infer the dhatu cannot be Anudata Gitaha. It is neither Git nor Anudata. If it is Anudata Gitaha, then what will happen? The Kriyapada must be only Pachate, cannot be Pachati, right?
Yeah.
You know, Pachati, two forms, these both are there. Both forms are there. So, from the word Pachati, since the word Dhatu, Kriyapada Pachati is there, we can infer it must be other than Anudata Swara. Suppose if it is Swarita, it is not Anudata, if it is Swarita, or the iterator is something different from Nit letter, then if it is Kartra Vipraya Kriyapale, Atmanepadi, if it is not only intended for the Karta, Parartha Abhipraya, then what will happen? It is not Anudata, therefore Parasmepadam. Therefore there is an overlap, right? That's what it's called Ubhayapadi. This is what we said, this I said this is not strictly followed. Kartra Vipraya Kriyapale, the language, but Kartra Vipraya Kriyapale, Pani Maharshi says in the Vyakarnam, it is said, but it is not strictly followed, but should be followed. If you follow, it's good. So that if you say that, then we know what is the intention of the action of the person. Ramaha Pachate, when you say, Ramaha Pachati, when you say, you can see the difference between the intention between the person, the action, the person. Pachate means he cooks for himself. Even if somebody comes, he may not give food. Pachate is he cooks for others also. He doesn't only cook. Somebody used to say, that the small, that what do you call, Venkalapana. It will hold only one person. That much, that is a cooker for him. Only that he cooks. So, therefore, Pachati brings in, of course, a definite change in the meaning of the intention of the Kriya of the Karta. Then, not only here, the next sutra, Apadvadaha, and further, Nichascha, all the Nijanta Rupam, that's why Nijantas are Ubhayapadi, in general, Ubhayapadi. Of course, exceptions are there also. Then samudanghyos yamavo granthe anupasargajnyaha vibhashopapadena pratiyamane. These sutras discover Ubhayapadi. That is overlap between Parasmipadi and Atmanipadi, therefore Ubhayapadi. Therefore, the dhatus falling under this category, like Nijanta, etc., can take both. That's why they become Ubhayapadi. So this is how the section is. Now you can follow this section. Okay. Now important here I have given, but I will try to just go through. I may not explain everything in detail in all the sutras here, whichever is important that we will see in Atmanipada now. It's not possible to remember everything also. You remember in some of the important sutra. Anudata Gitaha Atmanipadam. From there we will start. Next, Bhava Karmanoho, that is very important. So, Anudata Gitaha Atmanipadam already explained. This is what it is. Yasmin Dato Akaraha Uta or Anudata Swaraha Asti Itsangakaha Asti Tasmat Datoho Atmanepadasya Pratyaha Bhavanti. It will take only Atmanepada Pratyaya. Atmanepada Tangano Atmanepada Viti Sutra and Yatam Shakyate Ta Tamcha Ta Satrantam Ityadi Iti. Yasmin Dato Anudata Swaraha Itsangaka Asti Atava Nakaraha Itsangaka Asti Tasmat Datoho Atmanepada Pratyaha Bhavanti. Like Edha Vriddau. Here that is the Edha Vriddau. It is chanted like that. But Edha is okay. But how do you chant Vriddau? We don't know. Therefore, it is also, it is Swara we have lost. Edha Vriddau. We don't know. It's just we can read Edha Vriddau. Okay. That is Anudata Swara. It is given in the Dhatu Pata, printed version I'm talking about. The original may not be printed. Okay. Original is all, where is original? Original is only through verbal. There is no printed. But anyway, but in the printed form it is given. It is what Udata, etc. So from that we can, that is given, that is given only to know that whether Dhatu is Parasipadi Atmanipadi. Only for that knowledge it is given. Vriddhav is, how do you chant Vriddhav? Vriddhav is the meaning. That also must have Swara, some Swara, or even if it is Udata. Udata is also Swara, right? So we don't know how it is chanted. Therefore, just Dhatu Pata also we recite it. Just we recite for to commit to memory. Bhusattaya Mera Vriddhau iti. So memories. Memorization involves this Linga Anushasanam, Amarakosha, Dhatu Pata, Sutra Pata, all these are committed to memory. Okay. Edha Vriddhau. Asmin Dhatu, in this Dhatu, Takarottara Akaraha Anudataha Asti. Has got the Anudata Swara. What is Anudata? That is also Sanya, right?
Yes.
Nichai Ranudhataha. Upadeshe Ajaranasika Gita Ityane Anena Cha Itsangakaha Api Asti. So whenever we come across Sanya, you have to remember the Sanya Sutram also. What is Anunasika?
Mukanasika
Mukanasika Vachano Nasika. And it is defined. It is a Sanya, is defined. Anunasika is a Sanya. Anunasika is called It. So it is a Sanya to the Anunasika Ach. Anunasika itself is a Sanya. Okay. Then Asmat, Tataha Ataha Asmat Paraha Atmanepadasya Pratyaha Vidiyante. Okay. Because of Anudata Swara. Edate. Seeing, here Dhatu is Akara is iterator. That E, but the H is not it. Akara is iterator. Asmin Dhatu, Akaraha, It Bhavati, Kyana Sutrena, Alantyam, It Sangakaha Asti, Ataha, Asmat Paraha, Atmanepadasya Pratyaha Vidiyante, Shete, Shayate, Sherate. Okay. Alantyam, you can see here Antyam. Antyam is a, you remember the last class we defined the Tadita class. Antyam, Adi, etc. What is Antyam? Yasmat, Purvamasti, param nasti.
Parah nasti.
This adi, anta, all these are used in the sutra part. Adirantena sageta, is that right?
Yes.
Adirantena, adihi, antena. Adihi is defined. But sanya, it is not defined, but we know what is adihi. Yasmat purum nasti, paraha asti. Adihi. Okay. Alaha is also, it's a pratyahara sanya. Alaha is a sanya or not? Yes.
Yes.
The name of
Yes.
the pratyahara, the collection of letters. Alaha, sanya. Okay. Etadrishaha dashaha dhataha yebhyaha paraha atmanepadasya pratyaya vidiyante te atmanepadinaha dhataha. Okay, you see here. Atmanepada pratyaya, atmanepadi dhatu. You understand that? Pratyaya is called atmanepada pratyaya. Atmanepada pratyaya, parasmepada pratyaya iti. That dhatu which takes, which is endowed with, okay. Atmanepada pratyaya is called atmanepadi. Atmanepadin is a nakaranda shabda. Atmanepada pratyaha yasya asti. We had the ini pratyaya, tadita pratyaya. Atmanepada pratyaha yasya asti saha atmanepadin. That is nakaranda shabda. You know nakaranda shabda, how it is declined. And inanta, not ananta, okay. Atmanepadin is a shabda. How do you decline, like what shabda? Karin
Like
shabda. Kari, karino, karinaha. Atmanepadi, atmanepadinau, atmanepadina. Atmanepadin, that is a pradipadika. Atmanepadi, pratama vibhakti, ekavachana. Denotes what? Dhatu or pratyaya?
It's dhatu.
Dhatu. Yasya dhatoho atmanepada pratyaya bhavati saha atmanepadi dhatuhu. Right? Understand?
Yes.
So, atmanepada pratyaya only we have to say. You should not say atmanepadi pratyaya. It's a problem. Okay. Then as to pratyaya is got something not endowed with, not like that. Dhatu is parasmaipadi. Dhatu atmanepadi. Dhatu pratyaya is parasmaipada pratyaya. Atmanepada pratyaya. Understand? This distinction must be clear.
Yes.
Don't interject that.
Okay.
Sometimes when I speak, I may do it by mistake, but you have to know it what it means. Okay.
Yes.
This is a inanta, tadita word. Atmanepadi itself samasa. So the samasa we had a tadita pratyaya.
Okay.
In the sense of asya asti iti, tadasya asti asmin iti. Matu pratyaya, same meaning only. What is the difference? Same meaning only. Karin is what? Karin is in anta, in what meaning you are adding? Matu partha. Dhimat, balavat, same meaning only. In pratyaya is also added. Okay. Parasmai padinaha dhatavaha iti namna jnayate. Avisheshena dhatoho atmanepadam parasmai padam. It's a parasmai padam. Pasmai, that's a mistake. Okay. Parasmai padam cha vidhasyate. What is vidhasyate? Karmani. Okay. Da dhatu vidhasyate. Dasyate, dasyate, dasyate. It is da dhatu dasyate, vidhasyate. What is the dhatu here? Da dhatu only. Vidhasyate is
Visheshena dhasyate. No?
yeah, vidhasyate. But we upasarga. What is dasyate?
It's in lut lakara.
It is lut lakara, yes.
Yeah.
Vidiyate ityartha. Can make it vidiyate. Simple. Okay. If it is karmani, then it be karmani let, it is diyate, vidiyate. This is future, vidhasyate. It is anyway, vidhasyate is future lut lakara. You can say vidiyate, no problem. Avisheshena dhatoho atmanepadam parasmai padam cha vidhasyate tatra ayam niyamaha kriyate. Where this dhatoho atmanepadam parasmai padam, what? Pratyaha, that this niyama is done, followed. Anudate tau. Anudata, what is tet? Anudata, not taito. Anudata, ito. Anudatetaha it is. Okay, anudate, not tai. Anudatetaha, anudata itaha. Anudata itsangeka.
சார்
Ach.
அது
Hmm.
அனுதத்தேபியஹ இருக்கலாமா?
No,
அனுதத்தே
that's not the Anudatta. Anudatta is it. That's not Anudatta. What is Anudatta? Anudatta it's not Sanya. Here we are talking about Anudatta is a Sanya. Anudatetaha, that is Anudata it Sanyakaha ityartaha.
Ye data, that also spelling mistake.
Yeah, Datavaha. Nitascha. Anudatetaha ye Datavaha.
Dascha.
Anudatetaha, it must be. In fact, it is Bhagavachanam, right? Ye Datavaha is there. Or otherwise, Yaha Dataha, Yadatuhu, Yaha Datuhu, Anudatetaha, Va Nitaha, Tebyaha, Atmane Padam. Some printing mistakes, some typos are there. Na Anyekyaha, not to other. Anudatebyaha, example, Asa, Asate, Anudata. Dhatu is Asa. Its letter is A. Asa is a Dhatu. Its letter is A. Content is As. Asate, Asete, Asate. Right? Asate. Karmendriyane Sayyamya. Yaste Manasa Smaran. But Aste, Asate, Asate. Similarly, Vaste, etc. Okay. Nidbyaha khalu api shum sute iti. Then shum dhatu. Sute, suyate, suyate sacharatar dhatu. Then shing dhatu shete. Okay. You can see. Anudate, it is a Siddhanta Kumadi. Anudate taha upadeshe yaha nit tadantacha. Anudate taha, anudata yit sanyakaha. Okay, that's a samasa. Anudata, anudataha cha, it cha. That which is anudata, and also it karmadare samasa. Anudate taha. Referring to the ach, which is anudate taha, yaha, upadeshe, atava, git tadantacha, git antacha, dhatoho, lasya, lasya sthane, dhatoho lasya, lakara is a pratyaya added to the dhatu. So lasya sthane, atmane pada, pratyaha bhavanti. Okay. Next sutra is Bhava Karmanoho. Simple. Bhava Karmanoho is what? Bhave Prayoge. Tata Karmani Prayoge.
कर्मणि
So the dhatus which can take karma, that is called karmani. Dhatu which can take karma is called sakarmaka dhatus. That's okay. That also you know it. That sutra also we have seen or it's going to come. Laga karmani chakarma kebhyaha. That is sakarmaka dhatus can take karma. Sakarmaka dhatus can take karma, or if the vivaksha of the speaker is not to mention karma, then it need not have karma. But it is can take karma. And karmani prayoga, of course. And karmani prayoga is possible for them because it is sakarmakaha. Akarmaka is karmani prayoga not possible. So it can have only bhave prayoga. So sakarmaka dhatu can be in kartari or karmani or bhave, whereas akarmaka dhatu can only be in kartari and bhave. So bhava, when we say it is for both sakarmaka, akarmaka, and karmani, when we say it's only for sakarmaka dhatu. So those dhatus, bhava karmanoho, atmane pada pratyaha bhavanti, right?
Okay.
In bhave prayoge is possible for both sakarmaka and akarmaka. Karmani prayoge is possible only for sakarmaka. Is it clear?
Yes, ji.
So bhave prayoge, karmani prayoge cha. Dhatoho atmane padasya pratyaha bhavanti. That's why this is laga karmani cha bhave cha karma kebhyaha. That is the sutram. Ityanena lakaraha kartari karmani tata bhave karakeshu bhavanti. bhave karakeshu, what is karakeshu? Kartari priyaha, what is indicated? Kartrikarakam. In karmani, karma karakam. In bhave, what is indicated? In bhave, neither karta nor karma. Just pure, the action is indicated. That is called bhava. Eteshu karmani bhave karakayogo. Anena sutrena lakarasya sthane atmanepadasya pratyayah vidhiyante. Yatha karmani ramena vidyalayah gamyamanaha asti gamdatoho shanach pratyaya is added mana padasya tangano atmanepadam. So this is example for tangano ana. Similarly, bhave vrikshena patyate paddatoho atmanepadasya te pratyaya bhavanti. Right? Tangana atmanepadam is not only for ta, tam, ja. It is also for shanach, ana, etc. That's why both examples are given. One example is Kridanta example, other one is Tinganta example. Nyatamyam. Lakaraha yada kartaram anusarati tada saha kartari iti uchyate. Simple, we know this. Kriyapadam kartaram anusarati. Kutra kasmin paryoge? Kartari paryoge. Yatra kriya padam karma anusaram bhavati tadeva karmani iti कर्मणि इति उच्यते. लकारः यदा कर्म अनुसरति तदा सः कर्मणि अस्ति इति उच्यते. लकारः यदा भावं निर्दिशति, दस् भावम् इस् आक्षन्, निर्दर्शयति, तदा भावे अस्ति इति उच्यते. तङ्गानवात्मनेपदम् इति अनेन त तां ज एट्सेट्रा बै तिङ् प्रत्ययास् एतेषां तथा शानच् कानच्. Remember we have seen 21 परस्मै पद प्रत्ययास् and 21 not 21, sorry, 11 plus 7, 22. 11 Parasmipadi Pratyas are there, 11 Atmanipadi Pratyas are there. We have seen the list before. Remember?
Yes.
9 is Ting Pratyas and 2 is Shanach and Kanach for Atmanipadi. Similarly, 9 Parasmipadi Pratyaya and 2 we saw. One is Kwasu, then one more Pratyaya we saw there. What is that? You can see that later. It is that one more. 11, so 11 plus 11, 22, they get the sanya, parasipadam, atmanipadam. Okay. This is bhava karmanoho, important. So bhava karmanoho, atmanipadam. It is under the atmanipada adhikara. Next sutra. Kartari karma vyatihare. Kartari karma vyatihare. In kartari karma vyatihare. Dhatoho atmanipada pratyaya bhavati. Okay, what is karma vyatihara is given. Okay, we'll read that. Kriyayaha vyatihare kartari prayoge api dhatoho atmanepadasya pratyayaha vidhiyante. Kim nama vyatiharaha? Ekasya karyam yada kaschana anya karoti tada tasya vyatihara iti sanya bhavati. So vyatihara is not defined, we have to know. Ekasya karyam anyaha karoti. That is called vyatihara. द्वौ मनुष्यौ परस्परयोः समानं व्यवहारं यदा कुरुतः तदापि तस्य व्यतिहारः संज्ञा भवति. So two people acting against each other, that's called vyatihara. That is also called vyatihara. Ubhaya prakaryogo, so both are vyatihara. Vyatiharam darshayitum vartamana sutrena kartari prayoge atmanepadasya eva prayoga bhavati. Then we have to use only atmanepadi pratyaya. Example. वृक्षच्छेदन कार्यं वस्तुतः शूद्रस्य अस्ति, परन्तु यदि ब्राह्मणः तत् कार्यं करोति तर्हि अयं व्यतिकारः अस्ति इति उच्यते. वृक्षच्छेद, वृक्षच्छेद सकार by tukkagama, you know, checha, right? By that sutra, sandhi sutra, chakara has come. Vrikshachedana karyam, cutting the trees, it is the karya of the shudra. Brahmana karyam na. But if Brahmana does, then it is vyatiharaha iti uchyate. Tadartam cha atmanipadam. Brahmanaha vriksham vyati lunite. Brahmanaha vriksham vyati lunite. Lu dhatu is lunati, lunitaha lunanti. Okay. which is the ninth kara dhatu. Taking Atmanepadi, because Brahmana doing the job of a Shudra. Brahmanaha tat karyam karoti. Therefore it is. Okay. So Brahmana, Shudra and all, don't think it is something. It is there. It's just a class. It was there. It's saying. Those days it's all they used by the Kriyapadam itself tells. It means Brahmana doing, so the Paradharma is doing, not Swadharma. That can be known from the Kriyapadam itself. Otherwise it will become what? Suppose it becomes the Shudraha. Shudraha Vruksham iti Lunati.
Lunati.
Will be because he is doing his job. The Lunj Dhatu. Dhatu is Lunj Dhatu. Lu, the Dirga. Lunj Dhatu. It will become Rasva. Fuadinam Rasvaha Sutra is there. We will see in the ninth Gana. By that, all the Dhatus, I mean the set of Dhatus, having Dirga, Swara, will become Rasva. Punj Dhatu, Punati. Lunj Dhatu, Lunati. So Lunati, Lunitaha, Lunanti. But Lunite, Atmanipadi, Atmanipada form. How it is used? Is it not against the rule? No. Karma Gati Hare. Kartari. In Kartari only. You see, in Kartari. In Karmani anyway, it's going to be what? Atmanipada only. You don't have to mention that. Therefore, Kartari Prayoge. Similarly, Dvau Rajano Parasparayoho Praharam Kurta, fighting with each other. Atrapi Gatiharaha Drishyate. The action of each falls upon the other. Therefore, Gatiharaha Atrapi Kriyam Dotagitum Atmanipadam Prayujuteta. Rajaro Sam Praharete. Praharati. It's Atmanepadi. Okay. But Rajano, two people are facing each other, fighting each other. Therefore, Sam Praharete. Sam Praharate. Sam Praharete. Sam Praharante. Sam plus Pra plus Rudat. Atmanepadi. Atmanepadi is there, is there Arate, like Harati Artha Haranti. So here Arate Harete Harante. Possible when it is Karmagatihara. Okay. Similarly, Rajanaha Sam Praharante Karmagatihara. Asmin Sutre Karma Shabdaha Karakarte Prayuktaha Nasti Kriya Asmin Prayuktaha Asti. Yes. Karma Vyatihara ityukte Kriyayaha Vyatiharaha. Karma is not used as the Karaka, it is an action. Don't take this karma to be the Karaka. Here karma denotes action. Okay, that's what he says. Not in Karaka, not an object. It is action. Kriya asmin arte prayuktaha asti. So Kartari Karma Vyatihare. The sutra. All the sutras are there. Let us quickly can express. Then from the next Nagati Incha is a negation. It's a negation for the two sutras. We'll see in the next class. Okay, stop here. If you deal with all sutras elaborately, then this will take time. We'll not get into thing. Otherwise, we have to do it separately, all the sutras. That can be done. Okay. Or otherwise, I'll give a summary of all this, whichever way possible. Okay. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. So you can remember these three sutras. Anudata Atmanepadam. Bhava Karmanoho Kartari Karma Vyatihare.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawadaji.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.